A Qatar court has announced the death penalty for 8 Indian nationals arrested in the country last year. The Indian nationals are former Navy personnel who've been in jail since August of 2022. The Indian government has called the verdict shocking and are exploring all legal options. Parikshit Luthra is standing by now with the details. Parikshit, take us through what this case is about and why we have come to this pass.
Well, this is going to be a major diplomatic challenge for the Indian government. Now, all these 8 former Navy personnel, they had been under arrest of Qatari authorities. They had been in detention since August last year. They were working for Al Dahra Global Services. Now, this was an Oman-based company which was providing security solutions and training to Qatari security agencies. While the Qatari government or the Qatari courts have not made the charges out in public domain. There is no document or judgment out in public domain, at least as of now. It is widely believed that they were held on espionage charges. The Indian government has also not gone into details. They have been tight-lipped and said that it is confidential and they're using all legal means to get them out. They are providing consular access, legal services to these 8 Indian nationals as well. Now, all of these 8 individuals, former Navy personnel, were senior and decorated officials in the Indian Navy. For example, Purnendu Tiwari, who was Al Dahra's managing director, he was actually a commander in the Indian Navy, someone who had commanded several warships. He had also received an award by the Indian Embassy in Doha for contribution to India and Qatari ties. So these are the kind of people who were there and who have been arrested. Now, the exact reasons are not known immediately, but yes, we believe that they were arrested by Qatari intelligence agencies for spying. Exact details will come out in the next few days. The families of those arrested have reached out to the Ministry of External Affairs, the Indian Embassy, and also the Prime Minister's office. But considering the nature and manner in which courts in Qatar function, it's very difficult to see where this goes from here and what are the real legal options available to the 8 individuals. But this is the first court, the court of first instance. So possibly they are going to have a right of appeal in the next few months.
Yes, deeply shocking and concerning news coming in there from Qatar. Parikshit, many thanks for joining us. Now, India has